Hey guys, we're just here from Car Sound Security. What we got today here is an Audi RS4 2022, brand new. And what we've installed on this vehicle is the Starline i96 Immobiliser system. Now, the way this system works, it protects your car from being stolen, because you'll need to enter a special PIN code when you get in the vehicle to be able to start it. Also, you do have a tag option, which you can also get for the system. But I'm going to show you how it works. So this is the i96, you get a card with it. So if a thief gets get hold of your key frequency and they unlock your vehicle, so they get in now and they try and start the car. The car starts for a few seconds and it cuts out, so you're not able to start the vehicle if it gets fully immobilized. So okay, so now I'm going to show you how you enter the code. The ignition on, and 1 2 3 4. You hear a little beep. So you hear that little beep. Now I'm able to start the vehicle. So without that code, you will not be able to start the car, be fully immobilized. The next thing you can get is the optional feature is a tag. So this is the Starline tag you can get for it. With this tag present, you will be able to start the car without the PIN code, or if you don't have this tag, you can use the PIN code to start the car. So you've got two ways of doing it. Additionally, the system does come with a smartphone app as a tag, so you can use the smartphone app to disable the system as well. That's an extra bit you can add to the system. If you want to know more about this, please look at the link down below. It will take you to our website telling you more about the system. And also just make sure to like this video, guys, and also subscribe to our channel. If you want to get this done on your vehicle, just give us a call on 028 554 5554. Thank you for watching. See you next time.